Test, test. Do you hear me well? Okay, let's get the stuff ready. What do we need in today's video? DJI mics, an RS3 Mini, a few extra lenses, there's this, battery, memory cards. We're good to go. Okay, now let's go. Look at this and this. See you later, Jaddy. You know it's gonna be a good vlog when it starts in Tampah Hills. Welcome to House of Herring. Look at this place. Look at this. Is it open? Oh, it is. Do I have the place for myself? Let me first remove my shoes because I want to work barefoot every day. Holy moly. First of all, welcome back to the vlog. I haven't done a video in a while, but I'm happy to be back and to see you all. And I hope you guys are excited about this video because I often say that this video is going to be special. I have a feeling this one is going to be special. Let's go downstairs. Wow. So yeah, this video is going to be special because I'm back here in the south of Lombok, the place that I probably love the most, and also to see the progress on all the villas here around Tampah Hills. If you know me and you know this channel, you probably have heard about Tampah Hills in the past. Tampah Hills is this incredible development here in the south of Lombok, and I'm forever grateful to be a part of it. I will update you on my place. It's gonna come a bit later. You'll have to wait a tiny bit more. I know it has been a while already. For now, this video is about two things that DJI was kind enough to send me. First one, DJI mics, something I wanted to try for a while because it is nice to not have a shotgun that sticks out of the camera that can break often. These things are very nice. The sound, I don't know how good they are yet because I've never tried them. It's actually the first time I plug them onto my camera. But the other product that this video is going to be about is the RS3 Mini. Look how tiny this thing is. And apparently it's supposed to be able to carry the camera that I'm using all the time, which is the GH6, and even some bigger ones. So yeah, we're gonna test it out today. And what a better location than House of Herring, one of Tampah's newly finished villa. The idea of this video is to do a house tour because who doesn't like a house tour, especially when it looks like this. So yeah, let's see how quick I can make this run-in work. Let's get straight to the point. So we need this and that. Plate is under here. I need a tripod. 3, 2, 1, start the timer. Okay, that took a bit longer than I expected, but I think I did a pretty good job now. As long as the camera stays for a couple of seconds, I think it's fine. Wait, I want to try something I've seen online. Apparently, if you use the Ronin app on your phone and you connect to the gimbal. Oh, okay, that's pretty nice. This is insane. Let's not play around with this. Okay, so I guess let's test this thing. Okay, so now that I shot most of the downstairs and also the outside, I'm gonna try something else before I get up to the rooms. This villa has one main living room plus the kitchen as you saw, and 4 separate bedrooms at the top. Don't know if I'm gonna film everything, but at least I'm gonna film one. But in the meantime, this new Ronin has a built-in vertical functions. Apparently, if I understood correctly, you could be able to remove the plate and then remove that part, plug that one directly, and then shoot vertical for all your social media and whatever you want. This is pretty nice. This is very smart. So yeah, I guess now let's get some stuff for Instagram. Okay, I have to be honest, this is a pretty impressive stuff for the weight that it is. It's hard for you guys to know how light it is, but imagine 700 grams. It's like 3 oranges, maybe, I think. Try to think if there is any downside. I kept on like pressing the screen with my thumb when I was playing with the joystick. I kept on like touching the screens, and seriously, this is probably like just because I'm dumb and I'm not able to just hold it correctly. Other than that, really happy to finally have something that I can travel with. If you want to check out more infos about it, you're gonna have a link in my description, and of course it's an affiliate link, so if you're thinking about buying it or buying anything from DJI, it really helps the channel, so thank you so much. And yeah, I'm not gonna go too much into details about this villa. Of course, check out Tampah Hill's website. I'm gonna put it under in the description as well, and I'm also gonna put a video that Jacob and Andy did the other day. You know Jacob from the previous vlog. He's the one who started Tampah Hills, and they did a house tour, like a complete house tour that shows everything, all the rooms about this place. So yeah, I'm gonna put this one in the description as well, in case you really want to see this place in all details. But yeah, it looks like the weather has turned a bit. I don't care too much. That's the beauty with rainy season in Indonesia, is that the weather can just change like this. So now it is a bit cloudy. I'm sure within 10 minutes it's going to be back to be sunny, and I'm going to be able to shoot some more, because I really want to go and check out Villa Kami, which is another villa that has been finished recently that I haven't checked out yet. And I heard the owner are also there, so I want to meet them, see how it goes, and ask them if I can do some more shots with Ronin and show you guys their place as well. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. What do I see? 2 surfboards. Look at this board. You recognize the logo? If you follow me on Instagram, you could have won one of those boards actually. So if you don't, please do so. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Look at this, there is a little
I think
new
he
one.
wants to go out with us and surf.
I think so too. Where is his mini board?
Yeah, it's
in front.
in the front.
Nice. We're back. I mean, you guys remember Tilda and Jacob. I've been lucky enough to stay at their place, which is finished up on Tampah Hill. Yeah, Villa Jati is. Thank you guys so much for having me. I've been staying here for the past 2 weeks actually. And yeah, there's a little new boy in town, Noel. How old is he again? He was born in July.
So just over 6 months.
6 months, and living the Lombok life so far. Soon paddling and getting into some of the best waves in south of Lombok. But yeah, we're gonna go to the water, get some surfing, because I think we haven't surfed enough. We've been working too much and yeah, not surfing enough, so we're definitely going. And apparently today the swell might be really good, so we might have some friends joining over, so I'll put also the camera in the water housing, film a bit. Yeah, you will see. And in the meantime, I'm gonna bring this one back out in the water, my Oka surfboard. Wow, wow, wow. So this wave is called Serangan. It's right here. It's a right-hander. Really nice because it breaks on the reef. And this is Selomblanak beach in the back. And Tampah Hills, just to let you know where we are roughly located, is right behind those hills. So it's only less than 15 minutes away from Tampah Hills. And it's supposed to be one of the nicest waves here in the area. So, and apparently the water is also super clear. So I'm really, really excited. Let's get ready. Bye, cigarette. Ooh, that was a success. Except the fact that for some reason the GoPro Max that I had on my wrist had a little leakage and actually got some water in the battery. So it died and didn't manage to get any footage from that exact angle, but I guess you still enjoyed the few other footage that we managed to get. And now I heard that Jacob might have a little surprise for me, so we should go back to Tampah and check out something very exciting. I don't have shoes, no, but it's okay. Oh wow.
Yeah,
This is it.
yeah.
Okay, so last time I talked about my plot and what my house here in Tampah Hills would be was more than a year and a half ago, I would say.
Yeah.
I was with you and we were walking around the whole mountain and checking out if we could find a bigger plot because I wanted to maybe build with some friends and build something bigger. And then my mind kept on thinking so much about the project and everything, and I came back to the point where I actually want the place to be small. I want to build as fast as possible. It's only going to be a 2-bedroom. It's not going to be a 4-bedroom or a 5-bedroom. A 2-bedroom is something plenty enough, and I want to finally get this done. So yeah, we've been talking about different lot options. Yeah, Jacob was saying that he might have a little lot that could fit the place, and apparently this is it. And look at the view. I'm signing in.
Yeah, we look forward to build your house here.
Finally. 2022 was probably the busiest year of my life, so there was no way I could make anything happen else than the work that I was doing back home. But now I am gonna move here and build this thing as fast as possible. And you guys are gonna be able to experience it.
Let's start the design.
Let's start the design. And I'm gonna update everything here, and it's gonna be fun to make videos and update you guys about absolutely every single step about the process. Hope you're excited. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. It's gonna be lots of fun coming soon. From Tampah Hills. Welcome to a new vlog. I'm gonna find an island. Ah! Princess are ready? Holy moly! You should land that thing now.